Pepe coin holders, I've got a video for you guys. I want to give you a quick update on Pepe and give you guys my opinion on where I think we could be headed here. So, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm maxi. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so we are looking at the Pepe chart on the daily time frame, and we are below very, very key support, the overall bull trend. We have broken below, but may I say, there's a chance that this is a bear trap. There is a chance. You know, we saw that big news come out yesterday about the Bitcoin strategic reserve, I should say, crypto digital asset stockpile, which has Cardano, XRP, Solana, Bitcoin, and Ethereum all in it. And it caused quite a little bit of a bounce, but this bounce is not... I knew there was going to be some relief. We saw a brutal sell-off, and we did hit a very important resistance level that we need to overtake if we should be bullish for the long term, which we'll take a look at shortly. But being below this level, guys, unfortunately, I am still bearish short term. I am. But I do think that if Bitcoin can bring us up here, Bitcoin can save the day here, and Bitcoin can bring us back above this yellow trend line at about 50.96402. I think that's possible to get above that level. We really need to be paying attention to the traditional stock market. If S&P 500 can catch a bid this week and start to go to the upside, I think that it will bring the entire cryptocurrency space up with it. But man, the cryptocurrency space and the traditional market have been, really the traditional market mainly, has been driving crypto because it is so uncertain with all this tariff talk. People are so worried about the price of eggs, they can't really bother buying into equities or buying into risk-on assets. So when the traditional market starts to get a little bit shaky, people sell their risk-on assets, aka Pepe, aka altcoins and meme coins, before they sell their stocks and their equities. But as of right now, guys, I will be honest, I am looking for a rejection off of this yellow line unless S&P 500 and Bitcoin start to make bigger candle closures this coming week. I am looking to potentially open some shorts on a rejection off of this. And if you guys do want to open up some shorts along with me, please check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin as well as a $5.6 million trading competition going on right now, guys. If you sign up using the link down below, you become a part of my team. And the more trading volume our team does together, the more money we have access to in that $5.6 million prize pool. So check that out. Now, I will say that I'm going to be shorting with very tight stop losses, and I'm not even going to really open up shorts until I see what's going on during this upcoming week, because there is a good chance that this is a bear trap. There's a good chance at that. But I will say that I think that there is a higher likelihood that we reject off of this yellow line here, and we see something like this play out. I would not be surprised at all to come down and test this level, make a new low at, what is this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is it 6 zeros, 6, 3, 7, 9, 4, or is it 5 zeros? It's tough for me to say, yeah, but I think 5 0, 6, 3, 7, 9, 4. I would expect that to be a price target, and if we do come up here and start to reject off, which it kind of looks like we're rejecting right now a little bit, but I don't have enough confidence in this trade to open up shorts right now. I have to really see how this price action plays out. Over on Crypto Twitter, follow me at 333blackc. I say buy Bitcoin, guys, because when we see these meme coins and these altcoins taking a huge tumble, I like to reiterate what my trading strategy is. And now everyone has a different trading strategy. You should use whatever strategy works out best for you. I've been trading crypto for nearly a decade, and what I like to do is I like to make money with altcoins so I can get more of that sweet Bitcoin. That's my goal. I like to see if I can make more money with alts than holding Bitcoin because I want more Bitcoin. Guys, I'll be brutally honest with you. This cycle, it has been extremely difficult to outperform Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance has been flying sky high. I've had some significantly great trades. I've gotten 100x on Bonk. I've bought $8 Solana. I think I got like a 10x on Peanut the Squirrel, a couple memes, but guys, I was not in the trenches. I was not trading every single day. I found a few that I liked a lot, and I said, okay, I'm going to get on board with this so that I can get more Bitcoin. So that's why I say buy Bitcoin, guys. It is like really hard to outperform buying Bitcoin, especially this cycle with such a tight monetary policy that we were seeing with the Federal Reserve, with no quantitative easing, high interest rates. It's tough out there for risk on assets and high inflation as well. So Pepe sitting at rank 32, down 6.92% the past 7 days, but getting a nice 10.10% boost in the past 24 hours, sitting at a $3.57 billion market cap with a $1 billion 24-hour volume. Pretty nice to see that. We're seeing an influx, but like I said, guys, I kind of really only expect this to be a little bit of relief before a further move to the downside, unless Bitcoin can continue to make this move to the upside. I do not like seeing these weekly candle closures be below 94,000, and this is really exactly what I predicted. I said that we would probably see a test to 94K and reject off. Now, the question is, do we reject off or not? We have another 20 hours to see if we can close above it, which I would say is bullish. Or if we reject off, I would say, hey, guys, look out below. We're probably coming back to test 88,000 and maybe even come down to test 73,000. So we have to be keeping our eyes wide open on Bitcoin. And really, I think that a lot of this move has to do with what happens with the market tomorrow with the S&P 500. If we can get that little bit of a boost that brings us up above here, that's bullish. It's bullish. So we want the traditional market to open up green and stay green tomorrow and throughout the week. But looking at Bitcoin dominance as well, guys, look at this. This is so crazy. Look at this consolidation / distribution. I don't even know what you want to call this. Green dot, red dot, red dot, green dot. It just can't make its mind up. There's so much uncertainty. This looks like the daily time frame on the S&P 500. It's just like a crab market. It is just flatlined with lots of volatility, if you understand what I'm saying. Can't make its mind up. And you know, as I'll keep saying this, being above 59.94%, this blue line right here, basically 60%, I'm long Bitcoin dominance. Being below this level, I am long altcoins, guys. So we need to be paying attention to this as well. Now, the most important chart I want to be taking a look at for this Pepe coin video is right here, the total crypto market cap, my friends. Look at this, okay? Look at that. Now we're back above the 2021 high over this yellow line. If we just start going and make new all-time highs now, I'll say this was the most savage bull trap, savage bear trap we've seen ever in Bitcoin. I mean, we've seen some like with the in 2019 that dump was pretty significant, but this was like kind of out of nowhere, and really we're back above support. So let's see if we keep this as support and bounce. And if we start to bounce here, I'll say, hey guys, probably are looking for some bullish price action on crypto across the board. And like I said, I'm going to keep reiterating S&P 500 tomorrow and S&P 500 throughout this week is going to be a telltale sign of what's going to be happening for crypto for the rest of March. So guys, keep your eyes wide open for that. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Follow me, 333blackc on Instagram and Twitter, and check out that $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin down below and get in on that trading competition. There's pretty insane, a $5.6 million prize pool. But let me know in the comments below. Do you think that this is just a little relief bounce before further to the downside? Or do you think this was a most savage bear trap we've seen yet? Because this is phase 3 of the bull market. It has the most volatility, the most trappy behavior, and it has the most gains. So it could potentially be that. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.